Right, good morning. There are three type of business we have discussed on the level. Three type of business as well as four type of organization. Accounting subject relevant for the business organization. In accounting, we are going to provide information about the business organization to the interest party. There are 16 lessons we have discussed on the level. Grade 12, we have to discuss there are 10 lessons, and balance 6 lessons we have to discuss grade 13. Therefore, practically think about business organization. There are three types of business available: trade in business, service business, as well as manufacturing business. There are more factories available. You have to know how to provide information. There are more factories. Think about garment factories like that, tire manufacturing company, and all there are more production department, production manufacturing factories available. Therefore, in accounting, you have to know how to provide information. As well as think about trading business available. Example, supermarket. Purchase and sales, main part of trading business. You have to know how to provide information. As well as service business. Think about service business, educational institutes, as well as private hospital. They provided service. Therefore, our duty in accounting, we are going to provide information. Therefore, you have to know how to provide information about the business organization. Those are the things we are going to discuss on the level. Therefore, subject relevant for the business. Our duty in accounting, only we are going to provide information about the business organization to the interest party. Right? How to provide information? That is the thing we are going to discuss. And what are the things available in the business organization? From the beginning, there are 5 parts available in the business organization. That is the way you have to think. There are 5 parts available in the business organization: assets, liability, income, expense, as well as capital. Those are the things you have to recognize from the beginning. Try to recognize assets available in the business organization, liabilities available in the business organization, and incomes available in the business organization, expenses available in the business organization, as well as capital. If for capital, there are 2 parts: additional capital as well as drawings. Right? Sole proprietorships, only one owner is available. Partnerships, there are more than 2 owners available. As well as company, there are more owners available, shareholders available. Therefore, think our duty. Subject relevant for the business. In accounting, we are going to only provide information. For provide information, we are going to prepare financial statement. Those are the things we are going to discuss on the level. And later we are going to discuss how to prepare financial statement of each and every organization to provide information to the interest party of the business organization. Those are the things we are going to discuss. Therefore, from the beginning, you have to know what are the transactions available in the business organization. Think about all the business organization available: purchase and sales. Purchase from the supplier and sales to the customer. Therefore, purchase and sales available all the business organization. It may be cash basis, it may be credit basis. Purchase return, sales return, cash paid for creditors, cash receipt from debtor, discount allowed, discount receipts, bad debts, expenses available, expense paid, expense not paid, income available, income received, income not received, loans available, discount available. Those are the things available in the business organization. All the organization. Our duty in accounting, we are going to provide information that we have been discussing accounting equation part. By doing accounting equation, we are going to recognize what is effects each and every transaction for assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. This is a basic equation. I have discussed how to record already. As well as I have discussed how to prepare income statement, both methods. As well as last week I have discussed how to prepare financial statement also, financial position also. Therefore, by doing this lesson, we are going to you to realize each and every transaction effect for what? Effect for assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. That is the thing you have to know. ඕල මුලින්ම තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ බිස්නස් එකක් ඇතුලේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ දෙයක් තමයි වෙන්නේ. අන්න ඒවා ඉෆෙක්ට් වෙන්නේ මේකට කියලා තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. ඉෆෙක්ට්ස් assets, liability, ඒ කියන්නේ කෑෂ් වලට purchase කළොත් මොකේටද ඉෆෙක්ට් වෙන්නේ කියලා තේරෙන්න ඕනේ. credit base එකට purchase කළොත්, creditors වලට සල්ලි ගෙවුවොත්, discount receipts, like that cash sales, සල්ලි වලට වික්කොත් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ business එකේ? ණයට වික්කොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? විකුණපුව ආපහු අපිට එවුවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? debtors ලගෙන් සල්ලි හම්බුනොත්, debtors ලා කියන්නේ කවුද? ඇයි debtors ලා create වෙන්නේ? debtors ලගෙන් සල්ලි හම්බුනොත් මොකක්ද business එකේ වෙනස් වෙන්නේ? loan එකක් ගත්තොත්, loan ආපහු ගෙවවුවොත්, ඕන introduce cash as a capital, drawings, expenses paid, expense not paid. Therefore, very important parts. Subject relevant for the business organization. From the beginning, try to recognize transaction available in the business organization. Think effect for what? Increase or decrease. As well as based on those information, try to recognize how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position. Basic part already I have discussed. Think about this equation. Assets equal liability plus equity. Any organization, it may be company, it may be sole proprietorships, it may be partnerships, it may be not for profit making organization. All the business, එක ලංකාවේ business එකක් වුණත් එකයි, වෙන රටක business එකක් වුණත් එකයි. This is the theory. Assets of the business equal liability plus equity. And effect for equity, think about. Effect for equity, there are 4 parts. Those are the things keep in mind. Income as well as expense. Additional capital, drawings. And equity can be divided by 2 parts. Think equity can be divided by 2 parts, capital and retained earning. Capital effect for additional capital and drawings. Those are the theory parts. And retained earning mean profit. Retained profit taking ඉතුරු වෙච්ච ටික මේ තියෙන බලන්න. Effect for profit, income and expense. Therefore, if it has given equity as a one item, all 4 items effect for equity. But sometimes it has given equity separately, capital and return earning. Today I have given some example like that. Equity given separately. If it has given like that, additional capital and drawings should be recorded under capital columns. Income and expense, its effect should be recorded retained earning columns. As well as we have to discuss this part. This part I will discuss later. Sometimes it has given retained earning also separately. Income minus expense, this is also accounting equation. You have to know each and every transaction how to record by using this equation also. Income minus expense, it has given separately. As well as sometimes it has given like that. Asset plus expenses equal liability plus capital plus income. We have to discuss also accounting equation. Right? Asset it is given separately, as well as liability also given separately. Think today I am going to discuss this part. This is equation today I am going to discuss. Think about basic equation. Assets equal liability plus equity. Asset given separately, equity also given separately. If it has given equity like that, if it has given separately capital and return earning, and the capital column should be recorded additional capital and drawings. And the retained earning column should be recorded income and expense, it effects. As well as liability also given separately, trade payable, other payable, as well as loan. From the beginning, you have to know how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Second one, based on those information, you have to know how to prepare income statement. as well as financial position. A-level paper 2019 and 20 A-level paper, it has given 40 marks for that. 40 marks, very, very important lessons. By doing this lesson, we are going to you to realize what are the transactions available in the business organization. That is the first part. Second part, those transactions effect for which elements? Assets, liability, income, expense වලින් මොකේටද effect වෙන්නේ කියලා කියලා දෙන එකයි අපි අරමුණ. මුලින්ම අපි කියලා දෙන්න යනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ දෙයක් තමයි business එකක් ඇතුළේ වෙන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කියලා දෙන්න යනවා අන්න එහෙම දෙයක් වුණොත් ඒවා effect වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේවට. Those are the things you have to know in this lesson. Right now, think about question number 1. Question number 1. Think this example. It has given balances of Sachin Traders, the sole proprietorships as at 1st March 2021 is given below. 1st March 2021. Opening balance. Think about it started 1st March 2021. And given balances also. Think asset, there are 4 items. Equity also given separately, capital and return earning. As well as liability, it has given there are 3 items, trade payable, other payable, as well as loan. Normal transaction, it has given following transaction and events took place during the month of March 2021. Those are the normal transactions available in the any organization. තමන් sole proprietorship එකක් වුණත් එකයි partnership වලත් වෙන්නේ මේවා company වලත් මේවා තමයි වෙන්නේ. There are four organizations we have discussed on later. Those are the normal transactions. For then හැම business එකක් ඇතුළේම එක වගේ දෙයක් වෙන්නේ බලන්න. ඔයෙන් හරි purchase කරලා විකුණනවා. loan ගන්නවා. loan ගෙවන්න වෙනවා. expenses available, income available. Think our duty. In accounting, we are only going to provide information to the interest party to take decision about the business organization. Therefore, in this example, it has given there are 20 transactions. 20 transactions. It has given assets, liability, income, expense. ඔන්න බලන්න business එකක් ඇතුලේ සාමාන්‍ය වෙන දේවල් ටික තමයි දීලා තියෙනවා. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ මේවා business එකේ තියෙන මොකේටද effect වෙන්නේ. How to record by using accounting equation. As well as you have to know how to prepare income statement. I have discussed income statement. There are 2 methods. Last week I have discussed 2 methods. As well as there's financial position also. There are 3 requirements. Definitely this part available in the yellow paper. Last 2 papers it has given 40 marks. Very important lessons. Right. Requirement 1, it has given format. Using accounting equation, show the impact of about transaction from number 1 to 20 with value and state whether each value increase plus. On a value plus කියලා අපි දාන්න ඕන. Decrease minus in front of the value. Use the following format for this purpose. Given format also. Right. There are 20 transactions. Opening balances also given. Therefore, from the beginning, prepare the format. Prepare the format. Opening balance also given. Opening balance also given. මෙතන මම ගාන ලේසි නිසා මෙතන හදන්නේ. මෙතන මම transaction ටිකයි balance ටිකයි දෙකම බලන්න පුළුවන් නිසා. At first one, draw the format. Income statement. First one, record transaction by using accounting equation. Requirement 1. There are 20 transactions from the beginning. Try to record. From the beginning, try to record by using accounting equation. This is the format. 20 transactions it has given. 20 transactions. And from the beginning, opening balance should be recorded. From the beginning, opening balances should be recorded. Opening balance. Take the opening balances. It has given values in 1000. Therefore, we have to disclose values in 1000. Assets equal liability plus equity. Think equity divided by 2 parts, capital and return earning. Liabilities available, there are 3 parts. Trade payable, other payable, loans. Under other payable column should be recorded accrual expense. Accrual. Property, plant and equipment, stock, trade receivable, as well as cash. Right. From the beginning, take the opening balances. Very important, it has given values in 1000. Take those values from the beginning as a balances. 25,000 property, plant, equipment, stock 22,000, trade receivable 24,000, as well as cash balance it has given 1,000. And equity also given separately. Capital 23,000. See the opening balance. Retained earning opening balance equal 30,000. Retained earning and trade payable 15,000. Other payable it has given 2,000. As well as loan it has given 19,000. From the beginning, opening balance should be recorded. Now think about transactions. It has given there are 20 transactions. We have discussed already how to record. Today I am going to discuss. Think about equation. It has given separately equity. That is a difference. That is a difference. Equity given separately. Under capital column should be recorded additional capital and drawings. Income and expense it effect should be recorded under retained earning column. That is a thing keep in mind. Right. Opening balance recorded. Now think first transaction. Transaction number 1. It has given Sachin invested 12 million cash. 10 million worth of motor vehicle as a capital. Owner introduced cash as well as motor vehicle as a capital. Think invested cash. Think business point of view. Therefore, cash increased 12,000. Think business point of view. As well as motor vehicle also introduced by owner. Motor vehicle should be include part of property, plant and equipment. PPE. Property, plant and equipment. Land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment should be recorded this column. Owner introduced, it should be considered as additional capital. Additional capital effect should be recorded under capital column. If it has given equity as a one item, should be recorded equity columns. But if it has given separately capital and return earning, under capital column should be recorded. Think first transaction. Those are we have discussed already. ඔගොල්ලෝ පුළුවන් තරම් ගණන් හදන එක තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට තමයි රියලයිස් වෙන්නේ මේක. ප්‍රැක්ටිස් එකෙන් තමයි රියලයිස් වෙන්නේ. A level paper එකේ ලියන ප්‍රශ්නේ නැහැ. There are more sums available. Business එකක් ඇතුලේ වෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? අපි කරන්න ඕනේ මොකක්ද කියන එක ඕගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ ගණන් හදාගෙන යනකොට. Second transaction, purchase goods 11 million on cash. දැන් මට කියලා දෙන්න ඕනේ සල්ලි වලට purchase කළොත් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? It has given purchase goods 11,000 on cash. Think second transaction. First transaction we have discussed. Second one, purchase on cash. On සල්ලි දීලා බඩු ගත්තොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ බලන්න. Effect for cash decrease. Therefore, cash asset decrease 11,000. And stock increase. අපි ගාව තියෙන බඩු ටික වැඩි වෙනවා බලන්න. stock එක වැඩි වෙනවා. Therefore, cash decrease, stock increase. Not effect for liability side. Third one, 13,000 worth of bank loan was obtained from commercial bank. On a loan එකක් ගත්තොත් business එක මොකක් වුණත් මොන රටක වුණත් loan එකක් ගත්තොත් ඔන්න කරන දේ බලන්න. Loan obtained 13 million from commercial bank. Therefore, loan obtained. Think business point of view. Effect for cash increase. On අපිට සල්ලි එනවා බලන්න. And loan is a liability. Therefore, liability also increase. ගෙවන්න තියෙන ගාණත් වැඩි වෙනවා. Therefore, asset increase, liability increase. Cash increase, loan increase. Think fourth one like that. Those are the normal transaction. දැන් බලන්න මේ තමයි සාමාන්‍ය business එකක් ඇතුලේ වෙන දේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ මේවා effect වෙන්නේ මොකේද? Think fourth transaction, sold goods with cost value 30,000 for 47,000 on cash. On 30,000 වලට ගත්තේවා විකුණනවා 47,000 වලට සල්ලි වලට. Cash sales. Therefore, think about fourth transaction. As a result of sales, stock decrease. Business එකේ තියෙන stock එක අඩු වෙනවා. අපිට සල්ලි එනවා. And difference value profit. ගත්තු ගානට වඩා වැඩි ගානකට විකුණන්න බලන්න. Cost value 30,000 but selling price equal 47,000. Therefore, difference value, that is a profit. Difference value is a profit. Right? Think how it records. Effect for stock decrease 30,000 cost value, as well as cash increase 47,000. Difference value profit. Difference value equal 17,000. Now it has given equity separately. Capital and return earning. Therefore, income and expense, its effect should be recorded retained earning columns. Therefore, retained earning also increased by 17,000. Now cannot be recorded capital columns. That is a thing keep in mind. Therefore, fourth one, cash sales. Any organization. Same way we have records. Think transaction of 5. Think about transaction of 5. There are 20 transactions. 5 has given purchase goods item on credit 46,000. Think 46,000 purchase on credit. Should be record where 40,000, 46,000 purchase on credit. Think business point of view. Stock increase 46,000. Stock increase 46,000. As well as creditors also increase. Trade payable, liability also increase. Therefore, trade payable increased by 46,000. Trade payable increased by 46,000. Think here equation equal. Stock increase as well as trade payable increase. Trade payable. අපි ණයට purchase කරොත් තාම සල්ලි ගෙවලා නැහැ. අන්නේ ගෙවන්න තියෙන කට්ටියට තමයි trade payable කියන්නේ. Therefore, stock increase and trade payable increase. Think transaction number 6. Transaction number 6. It has given return 2,000 goods to the supplier due to defects. Supplier is a creditor. Here should be written which is purchased on credit. Which is purchased on credit. දැන් මෙතන අපිට cash purchase කරපුවා return දෙන්නේ නැත්තේ දැන් නිකන් හිතන්න අපි බඩුවක් ගිහලා ගත්තොත් එහෙම කඩෙන් සල්ලි දීලා නිකන් හිතන්න ඇඳුමක්ම ගන්නවා කියලා අපි තුම ඇඳුමක් කඩෙන් සල්ලි දීලා ගන්නවා කියලා දැන් ඕක හොඳ නැහැ කියලා ආපහු අරන් ගියොත් අපිට ඒගොල්ලෝ සල්ලි දෙනවද ආපහු සල්ලි දෙන්නේ නැහැ වෙන ඇඳුමක් තමයි අරන් කියන්නේ. Therefore, normally it has not given cash purchase return. Cash purchase return කරන effect එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද අපි purchase කරලා හොඳ නැහැ කියලා ආපහු අරන් ගිහලා දුන්නට ඒගොල්ලෝ සල්ලි අපිට ආපහු අනිත් පැත්තට දෙන්නේ නැහැ. වෙන භාණ්ඩයක් තමයි දෙන්නේ වෙන්නේ. Normally as a purchase return it has given credit purchase return. It has given return 2,000 goods to the supplier due to defects. Think credit purchase, it opposite side. Transaction 5 think about. That is a credit purchase. Stock increase, trade payable increase. If it has returned, it opposite side. 2,000 goods return to the supplier. Supplier is a creditor normally. Therefore, effect for stock decrease 2,000. Effect for stock decrease 2,000. As well as trade payable also decrease 2,000. Trade payable. Think credit purchase, it opposite side. Purchase return. ඔන්න ණයට ගත්තොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඒව ආපහු යවුවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Cash වලට purchase කළොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Those are the things keep in mind. Think 7th one. Relevant for credit sales. ඔන්න ණයට වික්කොත්. Our duty we are going to provide information. Subject relevant for the business organization. Those are the things happening in the business organization. ඔන්න business එකක් ඇතුලේ වෙන දේවල් we are going to provide information. From the beginning, you have to know each and every transaction effect for what. That is the thing we are going to discuss by doing accounting equation. Think seventh one. It has given sold goods with cost value 32,000 for 50,000 on credit. That is a credit sales. Think credit sales cost value equal 32,000 and selling price equal 50,000. Difference value profit. But sales on credit. ණයට විකුණුවොත් සල්ලි අපිට හම්බෙලා නැහැ. හම්බෙන්න තියෙනවා. Those are called trade receivable equal debtors. සල්ලි වලට වික්කොත් සල්ලි අපිට එනවා. ණයට විකුණුවොත් සල්ලි එන්නේ නැහැ. හම්බෙන්න තියෙනවා. Those are called trade receivable. Think seventh one. Stock decreased by 32,000. විකුණපුවම stock එක අඩු වෙනවා. Stock decreased by 32,000. As well as not effect for cash, trade receivable, it is equal debtor increased by 50,000. සල්ලි හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාණත් වැඩි වෙනවා. And difference value profit. Therefore, difference value equal here 18,000 should be recorded under retained earning columns. This is profit. Should be recorded retained earning columns. Retained earning. Think credit sales. Think cash sales. As well as 8.1, it has given sales return. Transaction number 8, it has given sales return, which is purchase on credit. Think transaction number 8 also. 8.1, it has given sales return. Transaction number 8. Returns goods sold on credit for 4,000. It cost value equal 2,500. For them business එක මොකක් වුණා ණයට විකුණපුවා return කළොත් record කරන විදිය එකයි. The return of the goods sold on credit for 4,000. It cost value is given 2,500. For them ණයට විකුණපු එක බලන්න හොඳට. Credit sales, stock decrease, debtor increase, as well as difference value profit increase. It opposite side now. It opposite side. Therefore, think about how to record it. It opposite side. The return goods sold on credit for 4,000. It cost value equal 2,500. Therefore, now stock increase. ඔන්න අපි විකුණපුවා අපිට ආපහු එවවුවොත් අර අඩු වෙච්ච stock එක ආපහු වැඩි වෙනවා. Therefore, stock increase. Stock effect for stock cost value increased by cost value 2,500, as well as debtor decrease, effect for trade receivable decrease by selling price. Selling price equal 4,000. Think credit sales, it opposite side. And difference value profit. Profit එකක් දැන් නැති වෙනවා බලන්න. විකුණන කොට තිබ්බේ profit එක නැති වෙනවා. Therefore, profit available retained earning columns. Therefore, retained earning also minus. Retained earning minus. Stock increase, debtor decrease, as well as retained earning decrease. මේ ගණන් නැවත නැවත හදන්න. එතකොට තමයි realize වෙන්නේ මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ කියන එක. Right, there are 20 transactions that is given. 20 transaction. Next one, think about. Next one, transaction number 9. 8 we have discussed. Think transaction number 9. Transaction number 9. It has given obtain 2,000 worth of goods and 3,000 cash from the business for personal use. It is called drawings. Cash drawings available as well as stock drawings available. For them, අයිතිකාරයා business එකේ විකුණන්න තියෙනවා අරන් ගියොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. Drawings it has given. Obtain 2,000 worth of goods, 3,000 cash from the business for personal use. Drawings. Additional capital and drawings should be recorded under capital columns. Equity given separately, capital and return on it. Therefore, under capital column should be recorded additional capital as well as drawings. Therefore, ninth one drawings, obtain 2000 worth of goods. That is stock drawings. Effect for stock decrease. And 3000 cash. Therefore, cash decrease 3000 for personal use. That is the drawings. Should be deduct from capital. Drawings and additional capital should be recorded under capital column if equity given separately like this. Think transaction number 10th also. දැන් මේ තමයි business එකක් ඇතුලේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වෙන දේවල් ටික. Any organization. ඕගොල්ලෝ try කරන්න ඕනේ මේක effect වෙන්නේ business එකේ තියෙන මොනවටද? Assets වලටද? Liability වලටද? Income වලටද? වැඩි වෙනවද? අඩු වෙනවද? Those are the things you have to know from the beginning. We are going to provide information. For that, we are going to prepare financial statement. Think transaction number 10. 10th, it has given cash paid for creditors 48,000. As well as it has given discount received also. ඔන්න අපි ණයට ගත්ත එකට සල්ලි ගෙවනවා. Cash paid for creditors and discount received. Think paid in cash 48,000. Therefore, effect for cash decrease 48,000. ඔන්න සල්ලි ගෙවුවාම effect for cash decrease, paid in cash 48,000, and discount received is it has given. Discount received is income. Therefore, income should be recorded under retained earning columns. Therefore, discount received income 2,000, effect for retained earning increase, and cash paid for creditors, discount received, both value effect for trade payable decrease. ඔන්න මතක තියාගන්න දේවල්. සල්ලි ගෙවපුවාමයි ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් හම්බුනාම අන්නේ කාරණා දෙකම ක්‍රෙඩිටර්ස්ලා අඩු වෙන්න ඉෆෙක්ට් වෙන්න. Effect for trade payable decrease. Therefore, trade payable decrease by total value. Trade payable decrease by 50,000. What is the thing keep in mind? As a result of cash payments, as a result of discount receipts, effect for trade payable decrease. Effect for trade payable decrease. තමන් මේ පාර්ට් එක තේරුණොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාර්ට් එක තේරෙන්නේ. Double entry system. ඒතර මේ පාඩම මේ lesson එක ඕගොල්ලෝ හරියටම තේරෙන්න practice. There are more examples I have given. Therefore, you have to do examples. Then you can realize what is effect each and every transaction. Think cash paid for creditors. Discount receipts. Discount received is income. Effect for return earning increase. Paid in cash. Therefore, cash decrease. And both value effect for trade payable decrease. Think 11th one. Rupees 2,300. Think values in thousand of electricity expense for the month of March 2021 was not paid. Think it has given information only 1 month periods. Month of March, electricity bill was not paid. Think bill relevant for this month. Tama ගෙවලා නැහැ. If it is relevant for this month, paid or not, we have to consider as expense. ගෙවවුවත් නැතත් ඒක මේ මාසෙට අදාළ නම් expense එකක් විදිහට ගන්න ඕන. But it has not paid in cash, therefore not effect for cash. If it has not paid, those are called accrual expense, liability. We have to pay. Therefore, it should be recorded other payable accounts. Think electricity expense 2,300 expense, therefore should be deduct from return earning columns. Effect for return earning decrease, reason that is expense. That is expense. And it has not paid. Those are called accrual expense. Payable. Therefore, liability increase again 2,300. ඔන්න accrual expense බලන්න. මොකක් හරි expense එකක් ගෙවලා නැත්නම් ඔන්න record කරන විදි. ඕනෑම business එක. Expense therefore return earning decrease. If it has not paid, other payable increase. But if it has paid in cash, effect for cash. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ එක්ක expense ගෙවලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් expense ගෙවලා නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. You have to know how to record. Effect for what? Expense therefore return earning decrease. Not paid. Other payable increase. If it has paid, effect for cash. but now it has not paid. Therefore, no effect for cash. Think 12th one. It has given donation. Think donation. It has given sometime cash donation, sometime stock donation. Donation available normally business organization. Think business point of view, donation also expense. Donation also expense. Therefore, think how to record donation. Transaction number 12th one. Given both cash donation as well as stock donation. Donation, it has given 1,500 worth of inventory and rupees 500,000 cash for flood affected family. ඔන්න ගන්න අතරින් විපතරපත් වෙච්ච කට්ටියට ඩොනේට් කරලා ස්ටොක් එක දීලා තියෙනවා 1,500 බඩු දීලා තියෙනවා කෑෂ් වලින්